Well, it is Thursday, and I am back in the office. I was in Delaware County, Pennsylvania this morning, and then I was over to Philadelphia later on in the morning. Just got back in the office, ready to see some clients in our Morristown, New Jersey office. With that said, it's been a very, very busy week. This morning, there was a pretrial conference in Delaware County, and we had a sentencing in Philadelphia where we received a great result for our client who was released from custody immediately following the sentencing. Whenever that can happen, that's always a very good thing, especially as we head into the last part of the year. That person can be reunited with their family, and that's always a good result. That said, next week, another busy week. I'll be in Carbon County, Pennsylvania. I'll also be back in Delaware County, be back in New Jersey. So I am all over the place the last couple of weeks, and busy is always a good thing, but I have to say that I'm tired from driving back and forth between both states. I did come out with another blog this week on sentencing and sentencing enhancements, specifically with regards to illegal firearms in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And it is an important topic because if you are charged with an illegal firearms offense, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, you have to be mindful of possible sentencing. Now, in New Jersey, if you've read my previous blogs, email, newsletters, and books, you'll understand that there's mandatory minimum sentencing in New Jersey when it comes to the illegal possession or the illegal use of a gun or firearm in Pennsylvania. In New Jersey. Pennsylvania does not have mandatory minimum sentencing, but both Pennsylvania and New Jersey have enhanced guidelines for deadly weapons. And obviously a firearm is a deadly weapon. And if, for instance, in Pennsylvania, you were to go to trial, the district attorney, if they give proper notice, can seek a deadly weapon enhancement with regards to use or possession. And that if the court finds that that is appropriate, you can receive a much harsher sentence upon a conviction for either use or possession. Now, that requires another level of proof, but you have to understand that, as written in that recent blog article, the burden of proof at trial is guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, but there's less of a burden to get that sentencing enhancement. So if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, everything I've ever written as a lawyer is available there. In addition, our weekly newsletter, when it comes out, it goes out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. It's a great resource to have going into your weekend. In addition, I've also written an article recently about domestic violence. The recent and sad case of Gabby Petito is still in the news. Mr. Laundrie is still on the loose, and the authorities aren't sure if he's still alive, but obviously he is what they're calling the prime suspect now. I'm not sure that you're actually using that language yet. He's still a person of interest, but there is an arrest warrant for debit card fraud. But I imagine that once he is taken into custody, he will be charged with her homicide. Unfortunately, she was found dead, and the cause of death has been ruled death by homicide, and the means was strangulation. So all signs appear to be pointing to Mr. Laundrie. I know there's been a lot of legal analysts giving their opinion on the case, and some law enforcement as well, but I'm not going to comment on the case right now. But when Mr. Laundrie is found and charged, I will be doing a blog article on different types of charges that he could be facing. Obviously, murder in the first degree will probably be the lead charge in the case. So if you have questions about any of this, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. Have a great Thursday. I'll talk to you all very soon.